All right, we're back to keep working on the B2. I'm gonna start off with another unboxing because if you followed along, I want to change the fuel system, and we received a fuel tank that was damaged. And so I reached out to Bronco Graveyard, sent them some pictures, and they sent over a new gas tank. So I'm gonna open that up. Right away we could see that the box that it came in is reinforced on all the edges, and it really came packed nicer than that first box came. So we'll open that up to see the undamaged tank. And we also received the fuel lines. Those didn't come with the first order. These had to be custom made, and they were made over at Inline Tube, and they were made for the B2. So let's start with that. So the idea is to change the entire fuel system all the way from the gas tank up to the carburetor, and everything in between is going to be brand new. So here's the custom bent line. All right, interesting. Here there's some stickers. Right here and here there's two stickers, and it says straighten between tags, roll on a flat surface to unbend inline tube. So I'm guessing once I put this up on the vehicle, this section here is supposed to be straight. I imagine that for packaging reasons it was bent to fit, so I'll have to unbend this back. So straight in between tags, so this here. All right. This came packed much better than the last one. It has a lot of extra padding and cardboard, and it's strapped down. I'm already confident this is going to be the tank. There we go. Look at that, nice and flat. The last tank, if you remember, if you didn't see the last video, was almost caved in here. So these parts weren't sitting flush and level how they were supposed to, so that wouldn't have been good for install. But thank you, Bronco's Graveyard. They quickly sent over a replacement tank. So we got the fuel line and the gas tank in. The skid plate is off and ready to remove the original gas tank. So let's get to it in the next video.